Hi, I'm Pharmacist Virginia, and in this video we are going to be mixing up Dukoral, which is the cholera vaccine. So inside the box you'll find 2 vials and 2 sachets of buffer powder, and you're going to use one of each for 1 dose, and then in 1 week you're going to use one of each for a second dose. So the course for cholera vaccine is 2 doses, and they need to be at least 7 days apart, but no more than 6 weeks apart. And once you have 2 doses, then you are protected for up to 2 years. So let's measure out the water first. Usually you have to keep Dukoral vaccine in the fridge, and you only take it out when you're going to mix up the dose. Before you take the vaccine, you need to make sure that you did not eat anything for at least 1 hour, and then when you mix it up, you have to wait 1 hour after you've taken it until you can eat again. So let's get the water ready. So you need 150 ml, so I've got a 100 ml measure here. So you can see that's 100 ml. And then I've got a 50 ml measure here as well. So I'm going to fill both of these with water. Okay, and I'll just check the meniscus. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I've checked the meniscus, I can get my clean glass, and I'm going to pour the water inside. Now you take 1 sachet and you open it. There's normally a little line here so you can pull it. So make sure that all the powder is in the bottom end, so you haven't got any powder stuck up here. So now you can tear it. And it'll smell a little bit like raspberry powder. I'm just going to pour it in. Now, when you select a cup, you need to make sure it's bigger than you need, because it's going to fizz. Here's what I mean. So now we're going to stir it. And you can see it's completely clear. So now we're ready to add the vial. So this is the vial, and it contains a suspension of inactivated cholera. So we're going to shake it before we add it to our mixture. And we're going to shake it for about 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 seconds, you can open the vial. And you'll hear it click. Then you have to take this grey bit off. So this is a plug that you can just throw away later. So now we're going to pour this into the liquid, and it's going to make the liquid cloudy, and then we're going to stir it. So now it's ready to drink, and when you give it to the person, This one is actually for me. So when you give it to the person, they should not eat or drink anything for 1 hour. And then they need to take the second dose in 7 days' time. And then after that, they will be protected for up to 2 years. And then after that, they can take the course again. So it will be another 2 doses. So thank you for watching. I'm going to drink this now, and then I'm going to fill in my vaccination record to show that I've taken my cholera vaccine today. It definitely does not taste like raspberry, but it does taste very fizzy and not sweet. A little bit like water that's gone off. But yeah, I won't be allowed to drink or eat anything for an hour, so just going to have to live with the taste in my mouth for a little while and take my next dose next week. Thank you for watching.